you've never known is here for you today. If human beings have hurt you, it's time to run away to the one who's always loved you, who fills you with his light. Leave your anger at the doorway. Trust God will make things right. Do you know He's always loved you? This whole world has played a game. It's the game of bait and switch, and it all